Hey everybody, this is Chris Holder from Concorde Battery, and I am in a very special place today. I'm at Dynamic Aviation in Bridgewater, Virginia, and we have been invited to participate in a very special restoration project that I want to show you. So this is, as you aviation buffs know, a Lockheed Constellation, but this is a really special one. This is Columbine 2. Now, if you're familiar with your aviation history, Columbine is the name of the first Air Force One that Eisenhower flew on. Now, there were actually 3 Columbines. The original Columbine he rode on when he was the Supreme Allied Commander. And then Columbine 2 is this aircraft, which was actually the first Air Force One. Now, there is a Columbine 3, which resides at the Wright-Patterson Air Force Museum in Dayton, Ohio. Now, there's a lot about the Connie that is just so fascinating. Now, this aircraft was built from 1943 to 1958. About 850 of them were built, and they were equipped with the Wright Cyclone 3350s, 18-cylinder engines. And if you notice that fuselage shape, now this is a little bit different than what we see today. It's kind of a dolphin shape that they called it. And no 2 bulkheads on this entire fuselage are the same, which made it very, very expensive to manufacture. And it was really one of the reasons that airliners now are made in that tubed configuration, because they hold up to the pressurization a whole lot better. Now, everybody knows the story about Howard Hughes, that he was a major stockholder in TWA Airlines, and he wanted an aircraft that could fly above the weather, fly fast, fly far. And so this was the first pressurized airliner that came into the United States. It could fly above the weather, made for a much smoother ride. In 1944, he did a speed run from LA to DC right at 7 hours, about 330 miles an hour. But the interesting part of the trip was that on the way back, they stopped in Dayton at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, and Orville Wright got on board, and it turned out to be Orville's last ride on an aircraft before he passed away. So a lot of interesting information. You know, the tail section, I can't really get to the tail from here, but it had that world famous tri-tail on it, which was designed primarily so that they could put this aircraft into standard hangars from the day. But Concorde is really pleased to be a part of this. We are going to put a couple of batteries inside. It's probably going to be a year or 2 before it's ready to do that, but we are really pleased to be a part of it. I'm going to attach a link on this video so that if you want to donate to this project, you'll very easily be able to do it. We'll post that on our website as well. So thanks a lot. It's good to be with you. We'll see you down the road.